Paydirt driving Mike's Freightliner. So this is Mike Griffith. I've known him for quite a while. He's from Waddington, New York. Same place that Joe was. Joe came out and visited me. So I've had two visitors from New York. Anyway, Mike had a load to Utah. He came on out. Brought me some goodies. Brought me this shopping bag because in New York, the governor, Cuomo, has outlawed plastic bags, so they have to bring their own. So anyway, you can read what this says. Anyway, had a good time with Mike, and he let me drive his Freightliner, so let's see how that went.
12-speed automatic.
It's in gear. What, just step on the gas?
Just step on the gas.
Good Lord. It just engaged the clutch. Here we go. Wow, that is smooth, man. Even a caveman could operate it.
That's right. What do you think I drive it?
Are you a caveman?
Yeah, I'm from New York.
New York caveman? That's funny you had to change your log to personal conveyance for we could... What happens if you didn't?
It would go into drive. They put me on duty driving.
Oh, automatically.
Yeah.
So you lost some time when you forgot to put it on...
No, I changed it all.
Oh, you can do that? Because it knows you weren't moving, right?
Yeah.
So that's
I
all
just change it.
fixable.
Now you step on it.
This is like driving a car, man. Oh, wow.
Pretty cool shit, isn't it? Take it around the block. Go ahead.
Really?
Go ahead.
Okay.
If you want to drop the trailer, we can bobtail. I mean, it's no big deal.
Ew. This is cool. I bet
you're gonna want to take that 18-speed out and put an 18-speed automatic in.
Yeah.
Kenworth has got them too.
No, I'll be wanting to get a Freightliner.
Go for it.
Oh wow. So what's that you did?
That's your engine brake. I shut it off. You don't really need it.
So what if I want to stop right here to look for traffic?
Put your foot on the brake.
Oh, okay. Oh, sweet.
It's just like driving the Super Dodge.
Okay.
You just went down to second gear.
Okay, let's see. Let's go this way. No cars coming. Oh, wow. Okay, so you just got to be easy on the gas. Because if I floor it, it's really going to...
It'll still pick them up. But it takes a minute.
Oh, wow.
So you're seventh gear now.
That's cool. I like that. I'm going to be a truck driver now. See the USA in a Freightliner, eh? Wow. It's quiet. It's wiggly.
Steering works good.
That's like a big old squishy girl. Yeah, that's cool, man. Lady.
I have no clue.
Oh, this is right. This is cool. I have never driven an automatic.
See? Found something you haven't driven.
Think this would work good with my D9 automatic?
Probably would.
That is cool stuff.
We can... You haven't got any hydraulics on your truck, right? It's all air.
Yep, all air.
All right, let's go back and drop this and hook up to your trailer and put it on and see what it'll do.
I want to break your truck.
Whatever, I'll just take your Kenworth home.
That would be interesting. It really would.
I bet you it would pull it.
Oh, well, I guarantee it would. Ooh, look at us go. That's quick. Wow. That's fast. Oh, turn the signal off, Jeff. There you go.
Yeah, you don't want to keep that on.
Whee!
Skip shift, never miss a gear, never grind one.
What's
Nothing.
amazing is how quiet this is.
It was quiet.
Bump.
Don't even feel them.
55.
See, aren't you glad you're not doing that rolling CV? Yeah, see?
Oh,
See, there it is.
is that, now wait a minute, is that your vibrator when I get over on that white line?
Then it comes right out of the
Oh,
door
I gotta
here.
do that. Let's see. Let's do that some more. That's not doing it anymore.
Well, you gotta wait. It's gotta reset itself.
Oh. So it's got a jake brake?
Yep. Pull back or pull down on this.
Oh, wow. And it does it
3-stage.
all automatic.
See, there's 1. There's 2.
Oh, wow.
And then you pull it all the way down. It's 3-stage.
So go back up and there we're off?
No, 1 more.
One more? Okay.
It's off.
Oh, that's cool, man. I think I'm going to start a new YouTube channel. Let's see.
Homeless Trucker Edition.
What do we call it? Dopey and the Bandit?
Dopey and the Bandit. Who's Dopey?
Me.
Oh.
Wow, that is cool. That thing moves. Does it move like that once you get loaded too?
Lags a little bit, but not too bad.
Oh, that's nice.
Just go back and hook your trailer on. What's the heaviest thing you got over there? The 9 or the excavator?
9.
Put it on it, drag it down the road, see what it does.
Get some pilot cars to go with it.
I'll follow you. That's right, you gotta have
Hey,
pilot
how much
cars.
you ain't gonna believe that son of a bitch used to drive up under my Freightliner. I run that guy off the road. I don't know, it's different. It's different in the Kenworth. I mean, you can see better over the front.
Yeah. You got your nice spot mirrors on the side. You can see right down the side of your truck.
Except that your GPS is in the way on this.
Well, it's because I keep my seat back so I can see under the GPS.
Oh, that's right, because you're taller than I am. I'm a little guy. Little guy in a big old Freightliner. So where's that?
Right there. Yep.
That's gay. Come on.
Hit the city horn.
Why?
You want to hear gay? Hit the city horn.
Oh, you go.
Yeah, I want to get train horns for it, but it's quite a production to put them in because you got to plumb it in off the tanks on the bottom and. Keep reaching for the clutch.
No, yeah, yes, panicking.
I'm not stopping. I'm not stopping.
Oh, there she goes. Cuts loose. All right, here we go. I gotta go easy on the gas. It just takes off so quick. You know, it makes driving the truck so much easier. It really does.
See, I got tendonitis in this knee.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, not having a clutch saves it because I can sit here, I stretch my feet out while I'm going down the road and relax. I haven't fallen asleep yet, so that's a good thing.
Well, if you had to drive up down the road all the time, I could see where, hey, one of these.
I'll be comfortable.
Nice. Oh, yeah. Good brake. Oh, man, it shifts up. Wow.
Shifts down. And believe it or not, when this has got a full load on it, it'll slow you down that quick.
It is pretty nice. Well, I just mean when I flipped it on, it was like, it wound the motor up.
Yeah, because it dropped the gear.
Yeah, it shifted down and wound the engine up. I guess that's what I was getting at. Okay, 10 points off. Forgot to signal.
Oh, well.
Sweet. So that's the first time ever driving a Freightliner automatic. It was really quite nice. It's a very, very nice truck. If I was driving all over the USA, that's what I'd want to be in, something comfortable. So I gave Mike a whole bunch of stickers. And he pasted them all over everything on his way back to New York. So if you got stickers of mine, you want to send me some pictures so I'll show everybody, or you see one on a truck, take a picture and send it to me. And this last picture is Margie, his wife. Lovely lady wearing a Flex Fit hat.
It's alright. It's alright.